Today, let's draw a Halloween pumpkin lantern. Spooky and fun. Draw the pumpkin's round shape with curved lines. Fill the pumpkin with orange and add darker shades on the edges to make it round and full. Color the stem green, with a darker green on one side for shading. Finally, color the eyes, nose, and mouth black, just like a glowing jack-o'-lantern. All done. Doesn't this jack-o'-lantern look fun and full of Halloween spirit? Creativity is a light that brightens even the darkest night.